guys, me again. It's a quick how-to video. Got this standard bathroom cabinet at a big box store, Vanity, and as you can tell, the slam's shut. Wife said, "Can we fix that?" You bet your ass. Got these soft close hinges. Put one on each door. Pretty simple. Be back. One down. One to go. Got them in. Got them done. 1, 2. Just want to be careful. You want to take this thing off. Take it to your big box store. Make sure the hinge that you get fits exactly this, because they have about 15 different types of hinges. So you want to make sure that it looks like this. This depth is correct. Has all these. These are adjusters to get your cabinet doors to line up properly. Right? Those screws help you get this reveal nice and pretty, evened up. Yeah. Keep it simple, baby.